Today's video, my husband is sharing some cooking recipes.
Now we're just going to add some sweet corn to it. Not too much, just to give it a little bit. Okay. We'll try and cut it equal size. Cheese in it. We just take the cheese, we cut it easily. We peel it off and then make it into a little round ball. Just close this up a little bit. This is good snacks when you have kids running around in the afternoon. Then we're going to take just the yellow of an egg and then we're just going to brush it lightly over. Make sure you get all around the sides. So give it a nice glowish look. Once that's all brushed, we can sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. Just a little decoration. Then we put it in the oven for about 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes until it's golden brown. They're ready. They're good to eat hot or even cold. Just to show you, as you can see, it's very soft and ready to eat. You can eat that with some sauce or anything you like.
We also made some Alfredo pasta. Also the grilled fish and rice. We will share the recipe in another video. It's the next day and it's snowing. Me and the kids, we just went out and we were playing in the snow. It was so cold, but it's so much fun. Then I came back in and have a cup of coffee. And the next recipe now, we are slicing some vegetables over here. Okay, my husband is actually making a Thai salad here. Okay, what exactly are you doing?
I'm making a Thai salad. We have mango, cucumber, capsicum, spring onions, and some shallots there. Now, to make the sauce, what we need some lemon juice. About
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons in there.
And what's that?
This is oyster sauce.
That's the oyster sauce.
So we're going to put about 1 tablespoon in there. And then we're going to add some sweet chili sauce.
How much?
Depending on your liking. Let's say 1 tablespoon.
Okay, let's say about, for us, 1 tablespoon is enough.
Yeah, and then we're going to add some brown sugar in there as well. Hang on a second. See, 1 spoon.
1 teaspoon, right?
1 teaspoon.
That's 1 teaspoon we added.
That's 1 teaspoon, and then we mix it all properly together.
A tiny bit of salt.
this much salt. Don't need so much salt. And then we stir it up. And you get a smooth mixture. That's our dressing ready. Should look something like that. Now we're going to mix everything together. So let's just add the cucumber. Onions.
Everything has to be sliced really thin.
Make it really thin. Your spring onions, just add that on there. Then take our sauce. We pour it all over the top. Make sure it's even everywhere. We mix.
Mix, mix, mix. Looks yummy.
Some seeds on top. In the end, we're just adding a couple leaves of mint, just to bring it out a little bit. Sprinkle some more on top, and then it's good to eat. There you go.
Looks so yummy. Can't wait. So we're going to leave it to sit for about, let's say 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. We also got some fresh jalebis. And that's our dinner. With some fried rice and the Thai salad and some kebabs.
Yeah.
Yummy. Dinner prepared by my husband.